Do you ever wonder why there's a AC in every ATM? For sure, you've been there in many ATMs, and always you see there's a AC near an ATM machine. Why is that? And today in this video, we're gonna know about why there's a AC near a ATM and many other facts related to ATM. I am Moon, and you are watching Moon Enlightenment. Keep watching. So, why is there a AC near every ATM machine? If you think that AC is for customers or it for the guard, you're wrong. Or if you think they keep AC there to show the standard of the bank, or the bank is top notch, that is why we have the AC. So there is no such thing. Before knowing why there's a AC in every ATM, do you know the first ATM was set up in June 1967 on street in Enfield, London? A British inventor named John Shepherd Barron is credited cash for the first time from his own invention. And in India, the one to launch ATM machine, the first bank to launch the ATM machine was Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. They launched ATM concept in 1987. And they installed 1500 ATM for the first time. Means before 1967, our fathers used to go to the bank to get the money out of the bank, a whole long procedure, filling the form, standing in the line. But now in the whole world, we installed 35 lakh, 3.5 million ATMs are installed in the whole world. There are many types of ATMs. The one, on-site ATM. On-site ATMs are those ATMs which are on the sides of bank or near banks. And there's off-site ATM. Off-site ATMs are the one we normally see. There are one other ATM, green label ATM. This ATM is basically for the agriculture transaction purpose. And there are many other types. And do you know, in India, in Ahmedabad, there is a talking ATM. Talking ATM is installed by Union Bank. So move on to the main question which arises in our mind. Why? But why? Why there is always an AC near ATM? The answer is that you must know already that every electronic gadget usually heats up, be at your TV, phone or any other gadget. Similarly, ATM machines also heat up, and most of the ATM machine are active 24/7. ATMs are also like any other electronic equipment, which are more complex than a home computer and also bigger in size. It's very common such complex machine working 24/7 will end up being heated. That is why there is a AC near every ATM machine to prevent it from heat and to keep it cool. Now a question can come in your head that there are many other machines like CCTV and all those machines in factory, they don't have any AC like ATM have. So for example, like we have Wi-Fi router in our home and many other machines, CCTV, etc. We don't put any AC or anything near every machine, like near every CCTV. That will be very weird. All these machines also work 24 hours and we don't put any other cooling object around them. So why only for ATM? So the answer is that ATM is ATM. ATM have money inside it. Either because of heating, if any chip or any circuit got damaged, so if you go for withdrawal, you end up withdrawing $500 and the ATM will throw $200 on you. You will be in major profit, but the bank will end up having a huge loss. That is why they put AC to cool down every chip and every mechanics of the ATM machine. Even a single chip damage or any malfunction of ATM will cause a big problem to the bank. That is why they take care of ATM machine that much. That is why they put AC to prevent from heat. Now you know about the cash transaction of ATM, but do you know there's a bank in United Arab Emirates that is world's one of the most unique ATM. You put cash or card anything and you get pure gold out of it. You can exchange money and get 24 karat gold out of it, a coin or a biscuits or anything. It means you don't have to go to any jewelry shop to get the gold. You can get gold in exchange of money any time of the day from ATM. Isn't it unique? Comment your views down below, subscribe this channel and share this video kindly. Thanks for watching. Moon Enlightenment, and I'm Moon here. Thanks for watching.